Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a Dacia Logan. We have a wrench indicator popping up on the screen over here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how I can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks. If you have any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, we have the ignition key. Turn to the second position. Then you need to use the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. So turn the ignition key to the second position. 1, 2, all the lights must go on. Then we're gonna use the accelerator pedal. Press it, and then after that, keep it pressed and press the brake pedal 1, 2, 3 times. Release both pedals. Go back to your car, turn off the ignition, do the check, and the indicator over here doesn't pop up anymore. So once again, ignition off, ignition on, use the accelerator pedal, press it, hold it pressed, press the brake pedal 3 times, 1, 2, 3, release both, ignition off, do your check. And as you can see, the indicator doesn't pop up anymore. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.